Drivers, this box right here is the answer to all your chicken lights and chromes being clean. That's right, if your chicken light and chrome is dirty and you want the absolute shine at a truck show, like Mid-America Truck Show that we just missed, or some other truck shows, Nihon Coating is the best ceramic coating for your paint and your chrome, especially chrome. Stand out in the crowd with very, very shiny chrome. This leads me to today's sponsor, Nihon Coating, where they make Zeus Clear Premium Ceramic Coating that is made in Japan with the Silicon 50 edition. Nihon Coating, made in Japan, ceramic coating that lasts 3 years. Yes, right, you heard it correct. Lasts 3 years on paint and chrome. It will literally make it easier for you to wash your truck. It will literally repel dirt and water off of your bumper. Just to show you that as of right now, I don't have no ceramic coating on my bumper. Here's some dirty water that I picked up, and I'm gonna show you that it doesn't really want to come off. It doesn't really repel. It just simply slides off. It's not having a beading action. There is no ceramic coating. This particular ceramic coating kit comes with 4 microfiber towels, comes with the top coat, comes with a pre-wash car shampoo, comes with a surface prep degreaser A and B and C, top coat, spray bottles, instructions how to use it. So now we're gonna prepare the bumper for getting coated. And how we're gonna do that? Either we're gonna take it to a Blue Beacon truck wash, or we're gonna use the car shampoo that Nihon Coating provides, dilute it with water and wash it down. Now, I haven't washed the truck in a little while, but I'm gonna wash it with the Nihon Coating car shampoo. But you can wash your truck at a car wash or use some other soap other than Nihon Coating car shampoo. But what you must do is make sure you don't put in your Rain-X or ceramic coating or any kind of soap or properties that have ceramic coating capabilities. You want your surface to be prepped completely rid of any beading ceramic coating technology off the surface. That way you can put the proper coating on your chrome pieces or your paint. And how we're gonna do this, we're gonna dilute this shampoo according to the instructions and wash it off. Now how I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna use a spray bottle, some water, and scrub and wash it off really good. You can just go to a truck wash if you want, and then just skip all these steps, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing right now with a spray bottle. Very quickly going to prep the bumper. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to use car shampoo on the whole entire bumper. As you can see, the car shampoo already did lots of wonders here. It made the bumper already super shiny. I just dried it up, and just for giggles, I decided to show you the power of how clean their car shampoo works. As you can see, this is paint. This is just some paint chipping off, but basically this is all clean. This is what I cleaned, and this is dirty. See, this is dirt, dirty, and this is clean paint. That's how well their stuff works. Their bumper's super shiny. Dried it up. Now let's go. The next step is to degrease it. Now, if you have washed your truck at a truck wash and then straight up went to do chrome dress up and paint dress up with ceramic coating, skip all these steps. But this is what I'm showing you, how to use car shampoo properly and degrease and to prep the surface properly. Next, we're going to use this surface prep degreaser. And how we're gonna do that, we're gonna pour some on this blue microfiber towel that they give you and wipe and apply on the paint or chrome that we're gonna use the coating on. Now that has been applied, we're gonna move on to the next steps. Now keep in mind, if put on plastic, it may appear filmy after using the surface prep degreaser. Don't worry about it, because when you put the top coating, ceramic coating on there, it will work itself out and it'll be completely off. All right, so now we could use our base coat, and we're gonna mix A, B, and C together. You mix them all in order, pour into this bottle, shake vigorously, and then use it. Remember to wear gloves. You can see my hands are white because I'm not wearing gloves, but it's user discretion. Please wear gloves. Don't be like me. Wear gloves so that you can protect your skin. But mix A, B, and C together, and I'll show you how to use and apply it correctly on your bumper or on paint or on plastic. Now, please do not use on windshields because the wipers may stick. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray this on a blue microfiber towel 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna work in areas. You may need to put a couple coats on there depending on your liking. It's the instructions tell you what the recommended amount is. But basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna work a small section like this. And once you applied it, you're gonna grab the pink microfiber towel and you're gonna buff it all out. As you can see, look at that shine right now in comparison right now on the bumper compared to that. So compared to this to here, it's a lot clearer. I can actually see the difference. Now maybe not on camera you can see the difference, but you can definitely see the difference in person. As you can see, after that, the bumper is super shiny, super reflective compared to this chrome over here that's like dirty and nasty. This right here is super shiny because this is metal too. Look at that, it's super nasty. But this chrome bumper looks like a mirror, even though it has rust trails and all that because it's old. It looks shiny. Next, we got this top coat that we're gonna finish it off and create the perfect shine and the perfect protection for up to 3 years, and makes washing your truck or chrome dress up or whatever you're washing super easy. Now the same way that I just applied the base coat, we're gonna apply the top coat exactly the same way I showed you. Okay, now that we are done, you want to let it sit and cure. Don't put any water on it, nothing. Just let it sit and cure for at least a couple hours, at least 1 hour, preferably 1 to 6 hours. Make sure it doesn't get wet, but take a look at that shine, folks. Look at that mirror-like shine compared to how dirty this is and like how dirty this stuff is over here. Like this stuff is just shining like a mirror, and this is like an older bumper that already has rust on it, folks. Look how shiny that is. We're about to put the dirty water on it and see how well it performs and basically makes that dirty water slide off. But before you do that, hit this link in the description below to get $10% off your first purchase off of this kit that will make your paint and chrome and shine last for up to 3 years. Limited to only the first 50 customers, so hurry up before it sells out to get your base kit today. Okay, so now that we have let the chrome cure, the ceramic coating cure for a couple hours, I'm going to show you how well this works. We have here some dirty water. I'm first going to show you on a non-treated surface, which is right here. This is what it looks like non-treated. As you can see, that's the difference. Now let's go to the front. I'll show you the difference there. Moment of truth, folks. Look how fast it completely goes away. Nothing left whatsoever. Look, watch. Just drips off completely very fast. That's the power of ceramic coating. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn light. This particular package. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.